Are you ready to witness the future of smartphones? Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra is about to change the game. 120Hz AMOLED, insane brightness, and power like never before. Let's dive in. Alright, let's talk about what makes the Galaxy S25 Ultra a total beast. First up, the heart of this phone, the all-new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a global powerhouse that guarantees unmatched speed and performance. Now, what's a flagship without a killer display? The S25 Ultra features a dynamic AMOLED 2X LTPO screen with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate and a jaw-dropping 2600 nits peak brightness. Oh, and did I mention HDR10+? Whether you're binge-watching or gaming, this display is a feast for your eyes. Moving on to storage and RAM options, Samsung is stepping up with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage for starters. But wait, power users, rejoice! There's also a 16GB RAM variant with up to 1TB of storage. Multitasking? No problem. Massive apps? Bring it on. Battery tech also gets an upgrade. Say goodbye to long waits with 45W wired charging and 25W wireless charging, the fastest wireless charging on any Galaxy Ultra yet. And if you're wondering about the size, it's slim, sleek, and lighter than its predecessor. At 162.8 x 77.6 x 8.2 mm and 219G, it's perfect for those who love a premium feel without the bulk. So, what do you think of the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Is this the ultimate flagship for 2025? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more tech updates, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a leak, reveal, or review. See you in the next one. And here's a hint, Samsung might have one more surprise up its sleeve this year. Stay tuned.